Hi everyone, welcome to the first video on the Kawaii Girls channel. So today I'm going to be making butter slime. Now I don't have activator like borax, contact lens solution, liquid starch or laundry detergent to make any slimes, which is really annoying. So I'm just going to be making butter slime. Now this is such an easy recipe and I love it. So first you're going to need shower gel. Now you can use shower gel, body wash, dish soap, hand soap, any like soapy or shampoo. I've never really tried doing any of this, but I think shower gel, works the best, or dish soap, I'm not really sure. And you're also going to need flour, any type of flour is fine. Something to mix in. I already started pouring it in because I started filming, but then it didn't work. So yeah, I already started pouring it in, and a pencil. So yeah, so first I'm just going to pour this in. I'm using the Snow Fairy from Lush. The reason for this is it smells amazing, and it's not like it's a waste because I've got loads of this, and it smells so good, and I love it. So first, I'm just going to mix it. What side should I use? I'm going to use this side. If you're wondering what I'm filming on right now, I'm filming on a Nikon Coolpix S7000. It's a really good camera, I think, but I've never really tried filming YouTube videos on it. So yeah, this is a YouTube channel with me and my cousin, and I think we're not going to show our faces in it at all, and then once we get like more subscribers we will do a face reveal. So yeah, which I'm excited for. So that is the slime. Now I'm going to add a secret ingredient, and it's foaming face wash. Now you can use, sorry, I just hit my desk, right, you can use anything that's foamy, like shaving cream. I just don't have any of that, so I'm going to use foaming face wash. This is going to hopefully make it a bit more softer and fluffier. You can use foaming face wash, foaming hand soap. So yeah, I'm just going to add this, and as you see, it's fluffier, which I love. Now, on this channel, we are going to be making, these are some things we're going to be doing. We're going to be doing a lot of slime, some like lookbooks, some hauls, hair tutorials, makeup tutorials, all stuff like that, crafts, DIYs. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing on this channel. So once you've mixed that all together, you're going to be slowly adding your flour. I don't think I've got enough flour, so I might have to go and get some more. But yeah, I definitely do not have enough flour, I don't think. I might do, I don't know. It's kind of good having this stuff with you, because then if you add too much soap, you can just put some more flour in instead of having to make a trip, which is what I have to do. So yeah, you're going to want to mix it. It's better having more flour, I think, because it's not sticky. But I cannot even, this smells like, oh my god, it smells like bananas. I cannot even explain how good this smells right now. So I do not have much slime, but I'm going to be getting contact lens solution quite soon. So then I will be able to make some better slime. As you could see, it's not slime. I need to go get some more flour, so you guys can come with me because I was not very prepared. So very sorry about that. I'll be more prepared in other videos. You may have just seen my face, but not very well. So. Okay, so there it is. So I've got this slime. Comment down below what videos you want to see us doing, because we will definitely try and do them. We'll do anything for you guys, anything that you want. So, this is going to be my setup. Now, me and my cousin Ellie Mae do not live close to each other. So what we're going to do is we're just going to film, whenever we see each other, we'll obviously film a video. We're going to be seeing each other because it's the half term right now. So we are going to we'll have obviously different backgrounds. So this is my background. Oh gosh, sorry. It just says Kawaii Girls. I'm going to change it, obviously. I'm going to add some more things around it, like stickers and stuff. But yeah, this is going to be my background for a while. We're going to like post like videos almost every day. Probably every day. I'll try and do one every day. But I just need to give Ellie Mae the account info. And then, yeah, we are cousins. So don't worry, I'm not doing it with a random stranger. We are doing this account together. So it's going to be like, I'm hoping when we get like slime stuff, this will be like, we could do like slime trades and stuff. So yeah, I'm really excited. Now me and my cousin are like, we're cousins, but we're like best friends because we like get along so well with each other and stuff. It's just so funny how well we get along with each other. So yeah, I'm not sure what I'm going to name this slime. This isn't going to be the colour for it because it looks different on camera. But yeah, comment down below what colour I should colour it and what name I should do it. And the person with the name I will give a shout out to, and we will follow you and subscribe to you. And yeah. So I'll shout you out my other channels which have got more subscribers as well. So then you obviously got more subscribers. So once it's got like to this consistency, you can start playing with it with your hands in the thingy. And this is so satisfying, honestly. I love butter slime. It doesn't make noises and it doesn't like do any of that stuff. But it's really nice just to play with it because it's probably one of the most softest slimes. So it's really nice to play with, obviously. And yeah, I don't want to... Oh, okay, this is going to be a mess. I'm just going to have to clear it up. You've got to knead it. It won't be stretchy just yet, but the more you play with it, because it's quite hard right now. And also, here's a little tip. You're probably going to listen to this and be like, that's nonsense, what are you even on about? But it actually does work, and I'm not even joking. I'm seriously, like, this is a really, really good hack. So, all you're going to do is just get a spray, using Ghost, and you're just going to want to spray it on there every time you play with it, because then it gets a lot denser and stretches. Sorry guys, this is like new setup, so I'm just getting used to it. Comment if you like the setup, and I will also give you a shout out. I'll give anybody a shout out who suggests something in the comments or is really nice. So yeah, you want to get all your slime out. Now obviously there's going to be some flour left in there probably. I'm just going to put these to a side, don't need these anymore. We'll get a container that you can put it in. I'm just going to use this one which I got from Sicily. It's just this little container which I put a slime in ages ago, but then I took it out just because I found a better container for it. So yeah, that's how to make butter slime. If you keep on following these steps, so basically I'm just gonna spray loads in there. So I've sprayed a lot in there. And then I'm just going to let this aside, and then do that like every time you play with it. So after you play with it, put that on it, and then it will go into like a better slime. So I've got a bit left. Yeah, so I'll show you what happens when you keep on doing that spray. This is a butter slime, and it kind of makes noises. And it goes, this is called red velvet, and it's stretchy. Yeah, this one's really nice. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you do it. If you do, send me a link in the description box below so I can look at your butter slimes. So yeah, please like the video if you liked it, dislike if you didn't like it, doesn't affect me at all. Gosh, that just fell. Please subscribe if you want to, don't subscribe if you don't want to, it's fine, honestly. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm probably going to put up another video in a minute, so yeah, bye.